How to share as a GIF on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share as a GIF on your TikTok app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, scroll over until you find the video you want. For example, let's choose this one. Now all you need to do is click on the share icon beside those icons and scroll over this list, and you're gonna find share as GIF. Click on it, and here you have generate, and you can cut the video where you want to choose the part you want and click on generate. Wait for a second to converting the GIF, and this is it. Now you can share this video on your WhatsApp, Messenger, wherever you want. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.